Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior Build. This is fifth part of video lecture for class 8 civics. Chapter's name is Judiciary. Students, today we will study, does everyone have access to the court? Is court reachable to all? Students, if any person in India feels that his or her fundamental rights are being violated, they can seek the justice. They can move to the court. If any person finds that injustice is bad activities is happening with any person in India, he can move to the court. As court is accessible to all. But is this true? All can move to the court. All are able to hire a lawyer. Students, poor persons, especially daily wage worker, are unable to go to the court. They are too poor to hire a lawyer. There is much paperwork, fees of lawyer. These are the things which prevent daily wage worker from reach the court. Students, as court is final interpreter of the Constitution, Supreme Court in 1980s devised a mechanism. What was it? It was PIL, Public Interest Litigation. Student, by PIL, any person or any organization can file a petition in either High Court or Supreme Court. In earlier years, PIL was used to free men and women from inhuman activities. This was also used to rehabilitate displaced persons during dam making. Students, do you know about midday meal? This was also started by PIL. This was granted under the provision in the Constitution, right to life, Article 21. And judges interpreted that right to life provide a man right to food and right to health. I taught you in previous chapters how right to life provide a man right to food and right to health. Right to livelihood is also under the right to life, because if means of living, means of livelihood is snatched from a person, how could they live? If they cannot earn, how is it possible to live a life without earning? This will be more clear by the example of Olga Tellis versus Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Students, Mumbai Municipal Corporation asked the rickshaw dwellers, rehdi dwellers and the shopkeeper which used to install their shop on the pavement of the road. Municipal Corporation told that this is very difficult to move on pavement because of these shops. So these shops should be removed. But Olga Tellis knocked the door of court. And finally court had given justice that as this is fundamental right of human being, as this is fundamental right of human being to protect his life, right to life is a fundamental right, and right to life provide a man right to food and right to livelihood. If these shopkeepers prevented from installing his shop on pavement, his livelihood would be snatched. How could they live? This would be like death punishment. And finally Supreme Court given its justice that no one can violate fundamental right, and as this comes under fundamental right, they should be given they should be allowed to install their shop on pavement. Students, carrying this much of our constitution by our judiciary, sometimes we alleged that judiciary is not doing well. In cities, slum dwellers is seen as encroacher. They had right to shelter and housing. Under this section, they should be given land for rehabilitation. Students, it is said that justice delayed is justice denied. As number of court and number of judges are limited in our country, it takes too much time to provide justice. There is a box I will upload. In that box, number of court and number of judges is given. You should study well that. Overall, question is that whether judiciary is performing its duty well or not. In my opinion, judiciary is very important and it is performing its duty very well. It has maintained law and order in our country because powerful politicians and powerful leaders, ministers have been sent to the jail if they caught culprit. That's all. Have a nice day. Stay at home to fight with